Why are there not more people talking about the importance of self-love during life's storms? Hello, beloved. I am Reverend Claudette Athea Douglas, aka Reverend Dread, and welcome to Rev Talks on Spirit First TV. You need to hear this if you're navigating life's storms. Life is a journey, an unpredictable adventure that we all embark on. It's full of twists and turns, highs and lows, moments of joy and sorrow. Sometimes we find ourselves caught in a storm, a tempest of emotions and challenges, a storm of change, loss, or uncertainty. It can feel overwhelming, like the world is closing in. You might feel lost and unsure of yourself, questioning your path and purpose. It's okay to not be okay. It's a natural part of the human experience. In these moments of vulnerability, we need to remember the importance of self-love, the gentle act of being kind to ourselves. Self-love is living spirit first. Self-love is a beacon of hope, a guiding light that helps us navigate through the darkest times. Self-love is living spirit first. It's a lifeline in turbulent times, a source of inner peace and strength. Self-love is living spirit first. It's about embracing ourselves, flaws and all, and recognizing our inherent worth. When we nurture ourselves, we find the strength to weather any storm, to grow and flourish despite adversity. Self-love is living spirit first. We are worthy of love, especially from ourselves. This self-love radiates outward, attracting positivity. Self-love is living spirit first. You are not alone on this journey. There are others walking similar paths, ready to support and uplift you. Let's explore how to cultivate self-love and navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience, finding beauty in every step of the way. Self-love is living spirit first. Self-love is living spirit first. It's a phrase we hear often, but what does it truly mean? It's not about vanity or self-indulgence. It's about recognizing your worth. It's about treating yourself with kindness, compassion, and respect. Self-love is living spirit first. It's a radical act. It's choosing yourself, even when it feels difficult. It's about prioritizing your well-being. It's understanding that you are enough, just as you are. Self-love is living spirit first, not selfish. When we care for ourselves, we have more to give to others. We show up as our best selves. Life throws curveballs. Relationships end, jobs change. We face loss and disappointment. These experiences can shake our sense of self. We might question our worth. We might feel broken. This is when self-love becomes essential. Self-love is living spirit first. It's the foundation for healing and rebuilding. When we nurture ourselves, we find the strength to move forward. We learn to trust ourselves again. Neglecting self-care can make things worse. It can lead to feelings of worthlessness and despair. Self-love is not a luxury. Self-love is living spirit first. It's a necessity for navigating life's challenges. Self-love is living spirit first. Self-love is a practice. Self-love is living spirit first. It's not something that happens overnight, but rather a journey that requires patience and dedication. It takes time and effort. Each day, you have the opportunity to make choices that reflect your commitment to yourself. It's about making conscious choices each day. Whether it's choosing to eat nourishing foods or creating a space that brings you peace, every small decision counts. Small acts of kindness towards yourself can make a big difference. Start with daily affirmations. These positive statements can shift your mindset and build your self-esteem over time. Look in the mirror and say, "I am worthy." Remind yourself that you deserve love and respect just as much as anyone else. "I am strong. I am enough." These affirmations can empower you to face challenges with confidence and resilience. Write down your strengths and accomplishments. Celebrate your uniqueness. Recognize the qualities that make you special and valuable. Journaling is a powerful tool. It allows you to reflect on your experiences and gain deeper insights into your thoughts and feelings. It allows you to process emotions and gain self-awareness. By writing regularly, you can track your growth and identify patterns in your behavior. Write down your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Set boundaries. Establishing limits is crucial for maintaining your well-being. Learn to say no to things that drain your energy. It's okay to prioritize your needs and protect your mental and emotional health. Protect your time and energy for the things that matter most to you. Spend time doing what you love and with those who uplift you. This is essential for a balanced and fulfilling life. Self-love is living spirit first. Section 5. Nourishing your body, nurturing your soul. Self-love is living spirit first, and it involves caring for your physical well-being. Our bodies are our homes. When we nourish them, we feel better inside and out. Move your body in ways that bring you joy. It doesn't have to be strenuous. Go for a walk in nature. Dance to your favorite music. Find activities that make you feel alive. Pay attention to what you eat. Choose foods that nourish your body and make you feel good. Prioritize sleep. It's essential for physical and mental health. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Section 6. The power of forgiveness, releasing the weight of the past. Forgiving ourselves is crucial for self-love. Self-love is living spirit first. We all make mistakes. We all have regrets. Holding on to guilt and shame only hurts us. Practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself as you would a dear friend. Offer yourself understanding and grace. Let go of grudges. Holding on to anger and resentment keeps us stuck in the past. Choose to forgive, not for them, but for yourself. Remember, forgiveness is a process. Be patient with yourself. Self-love is living spirit first. Section 7. The transformative benefits of self-love. When we cultivate self-love, we experience profound shifts in our lives. Our confidence grows. We become more resilient. We find inner peace. Self-love is living spirit first, and it allows us to set healthy boundaries. We learn to say no to things that don't serve us. We attract healthier relationships into our lives. We become more comfortable with vulnerability. We embrace our imperfections. We show up in the world more authentically. Self-love is living spirit first, and it is an ongoing journey. It's about continuously choosing ourselves. It's about celebrating our strengths and embracing our vulnerabilities. Section 8. Self-love's ripple effect, transforming your world from within. Self-love is living spirit first. It starts with a single person and spreads like wildfire, touching everyone around them. When we love ourselves, it radiates outwards. This inner glow can be seen in our eyes, felt in our touch, and heard in our words. It influences our interactions with others. We become kinder, more understanding, and more compassionate. Our positive energy is infectious. It impacts our work and our passions. Our relationships improve. We find joy in our daily tasks, and our creative endeavors flourish. We attract people who respect and value us. Our social circles become more supportive and nurturing. We become more present and engaged in our interactions. We listen more intently and respond more thoughtfully. We pursue our passions with more enthusiasm and purpose. Our dedication to our hobbies and interests grows stronger. We no longer fear failure because we know our worth is not defined by outcomes. We celebrate our efforts and learn from our mistakes. Self-love is living spirit first. It empowers us to make a difference in the world. We become more willing to give back and help others. When we believe in ourselves, we believe in our ability to create positive change. Our confidence inspires others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of transformation. Section 9. Conclusion. Embarking on your self-love journey. Reflecting on our journey through embracing the storm, a revolutionary act of kindness, the importance of self-love after life's storms, practical steps to cultivating self-love, nourishing your body, nurturing your soul, releasing the weight of the past, the transformative benefits of self-love, and transforming your world from within. You deserve to live a life filled with joy and purpose. Self-love is living spirit first. Start small. Choose one self-love practice to focus on this week. Be patient with yourself. It's a journey, not a destination. Remember, you are not alone. We are all in this together. Reach out for support when you need it. Now take a deep breath and repeat after me. I am worthy of love. I choose myself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.